Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today, you see we got the old school OG orange Nike box with the white Nike branding all throughout the box. Y'all know what's happening with that already, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's skip that. Let's get to the kicks, man. As you can see, you got the Nike Air Max 97 in rainforest, white, and team orange. I ain't gonna lie. This is one of my favorites to come out, you know, and you know, one of the recent releases that I really like. Here it is, the Air Max 97. Some call it the Miami Dolphins. We're just gonna go here with that. Now looking at the back, you see you got the white pull tab with the green Air Max with the team orange lining on it. Looking around the shoe, I mean, hey man, look, I'm feeling this one. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think, man. But as you can see, you got the green laces to match the mud guard. Dope. On the bottom, you see you got your white, black, and orange theme going on. That's a closer look from the side. I mean, like I say, man, to me, this is a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? You see a lot of the accents of green going around. There's a closer look at that pull tab on the back. Y'all already familiar with the 97s. You know what I mean? On the inside, there's no branding on the insole. If it is, I couldn't see it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, look, I think it's a dope shoe, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You're not? I gotta get a pair of these for my daughter, man. You know what I'm saying? It's only right, man. You know, like I say, I'm feeling it. I think it's super dope. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and take a look at the other shoe. It's identical to the other one. No difference between the two, other than this one is dope too. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it is what it is, man. I mean, I think these out now, if I'm not mistaken. Overall, man, I think it's a pretty dope shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? It's one of the many videos I'm dropping tonight, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, oh yeah, stay tuned, man, because we about to do a little on foot of these, man. You know what I'm saying? To give you a better view of these, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. You know what I'm saying? But look, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Tune into the channel, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another banger. You know what I'm saying? So look, follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Go check out the website. The link gonna be in the description. Let's get into this on foot, and I'ma holler back.